Just basically, this is a drum machine. You'll see 1 through 10. Each number is allocated to a different sound. I select the sound I want to program, which is, say, this kick drum, and I just drop it where I want it to be. Next, let's go ahead and add some hi-hat. So there's a great little drum loop that we can use. Again, the outputs of these sounds are being routed into our redrum mix, which is directly tied to our redrum channel strip right here. And now that we have that, what we need to do is find some sort of bass. Let's check out a subtractor. Subtractor is an analog synthesizer, analog style synthesizer. And I'm going to go down under bass presets, and let's take a look at, there's a sub bass, kind of a fan of this. Now, I've already got some heavy low end being driven from this drum machine. So I'm just gonna go through, since I'm already in the bass category, I can always click in this window and pick a new bass sound. Or you can use the arrows, the up and down arrows. One thing we haven't talked about is, and I'm gonna show you guys this, if I hit F4, it brings up a little floating computer keyboard. Now, right now you'll notice it says mouse and it says computer. So let's say I didn't have my keyboard controller sitting in front of me. Let's say I'm on a bus or on a train heading somewhere and I didn't have any kind of way of inputting notes. Well, they've given you this on-screen piano. So I can, now if I need to move down, I can cursor down an octave. You can see as it's moving. You can also hit repeat, which will repeat. It's the same note over and over. This is awesome for while you're looking for sounds. You also have hold, where it'll just generate that note over and over again. Pretty handy stuff. Also, you have a computer keyboard. So when I switch over to that, you can see how AWSE you'll notice up at the top, the numbers are what octave you're in. Actually, no, my bad. The numbers are your velocities. So full velocity is at 0, and as you can see it sort of scales. I think by default it's on 98. And then your octave down below is Z and X. Really, really awesome. I'm so happy that they included something like this in the program. F4, we can turn that off, so you can bring that up and down.